Hi, Merry Christmas!
Hey, you guys out there in Diamond Art Land, this is Rick and Tina Lorenz. Just wishing everybody happy holidays.
And a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hi everyone, this is Randall Spangler. I want to wish everyone in the diamond painting community, all the diamond painting artists around the world, a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Hey everyone, it's Emma Casey and Bailey, and I'd love to wish the crafting community a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hey, it's Dakota Dateweiler with a very important message for 2026. Cheers to those who wish us well, and those who don't can go to Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Oh, what is that stench? It's fantastic.
Hi, it's Sheena. Merry Christmas, everyone. Cheers.
Hey, it's Mandy. Just wanted to say Merry Christmas, you filthy animals, and a Happy New Year.
Hey everyone, I'm Kalina Kohlmeyer.
And I'm Jenny Kohlmeyer.
And
we want to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Cheers!
Bye!
Wishing all you diamond painters a very Merry Christmas. Thank you for adding sparkle to our artwork. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and praise God for His glorious gift. This is Janet Stever, and thanks again.
Chuck Pinson here.
Merry Christmas from our family to yours.
Hi, I'm Femke Deborah, and I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
I just wanted to take this moment to wish everyone at Crafts with Crashly a beautiful holiday season, and to thank all of you for supporting my work. It's because of you that I can continue to make work that hopefully inspires and makes people happy. So I never take that for granted. So I want to wish you and your families a beautiful holiday season filled with much joy, light, and laughter. And from my heart to yours, thank you and Merry Christmas.
Hi everybody, it's Peggy here, wishing you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
I'm just here to wish you a Merry Christmas from the UK.
This is Chrisabug wishing you a good Yule, happy holidays, and Merry Christmas.
Hi everybody, it's Ivy Dollamore and Sabrina, and we're here wishing you a very happy holidays.
Hi, I'm Miss Fluff, and I'd like to wish you a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and the most beautiful New Year.
May you have a very Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and many more to come.